4 of the 100 days of junk journal pockets, and I hope you've enjoyed days 1, 2, and 3. Please check out the booklet available on my Ko-Fi site. It is still launch week, and there is a 20% discount code if you want to gain this whole beautiful reference tool, 10 cents a pocket to get this whole tool in your hands. And Creating with Jovi is joining me on this 100-day journey. I hope you are joining me on this 100-day journey. To get the discount for 20% off, which makes it $7.96, use the word pockets as your code when you check out. So anyway, let's dive in. And if you've missed the first couple of days of pockets, well, here's a couple of them. Day 1 and day 3, really fun pockets. And day 2, I'll just show you real quick. Won't do this every time, but really fun pockets to make. And they are your interpretation, so if you want to change it up a bit, it's just your guide. So let's open it up. I did bound mine with an old binding tool. If you want to see how I did that, day 1. All right, so we're going to go down to page 7, and the day 4 is top loading pocket. And this is a vertical pocket, and so you start with some cardstock. I'm just using some Craft Mustache paper that I had at home. And so you start with a 3.5 by 6 inch piece. So that's what this is. And you're going to need some glue or double-sided tape. You're going to need scissors or a trimmer, an ink pad, embellishments, whatever you want to use. So the advice is to use in the instructions sturdy paper. I'm just using regular. It's not too thick, but it's not cardstock. All right, so then it says to fold up 2 inches. So just in case you want to see what 2 inches would be, 2 inches is about right here, just above this little curve on the S. So we're just going to eyeball that. We're just going to give it the old eye, and we're going to fold up about right here. Now this is a top loading pocket, all right? And you can use your bone folder if you want to. I have totally lost my bone folder. There it is. To give you a nice burnish, crisp edge like that. So this is just going to be your top loading pocket. Now, I don't really want white there, so I am going to cover it with this piece. That is a little bit long, so I'm just going to snip that real quick and glue that on top of my white there. And I already did go around the edges. I vintageized or inked the edges. I like to make up my own words, so I do that quite a lot. You will find out if you watch my channel or ask anybody that does. All right, so there we go. Now all we have to do simply is glue 2 edges. It's that simple. And any of these pockets will go great in your junk journals or even on a scrapbook page, a planner. You could use these. All right, so now we have our top loading pocket. It's really that simple. None of these pockets are gonna try you very hard. You can just make what you want and make it as hard as you want too. So I thought I would take a little paper clip and just put it down here. And then I thought I would do a little embellishment, and I'll come back and show you what I came up with. All right, so the top loading pocket is basically just your pocket using the small sheet of paper and folding it up. And I have a little tag here with a little lace on it. Put some cloth lace here at the bottom and a little paper clip. This is still drying. This is my little accent piece with a quote on it, and it's got crackle paste on it and a little solar spray. So once it starts crackling, it will have that really old vintage look. So this is your day 4 pocket. I hope you enjoyed this and you're continuing on this series with me and creating with Jovi. Go check out Jovi's pocket. Don't forget, you can post your pictures of your pockets. I'd love to see them. And thanks so much for watching and being part of this 100 days of pockets. Use the word pockets to get 20% off up until Sunday, the 24th of August. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll come back for day 5.